Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something we often overlook in our beauty routine, dental care. Whether you're using a toothbrush, floss, or a brush, you know how important it is to make sure you're giving your teeth the best care possible. But what if you could go a step further and make sure you're cleaning those hard-to-reach places between your teeth? Well, that's where GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens come in. These interdental brushes are designed for deep cleaning, and today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them. GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens feature soft bristles designed to slide between your teeth to remove plaque that your regular toothbrush might miss. This is ideal for anyone with larger gaps between their teeth, especially because this version comes in a wide size, perfect for larger interdental spaces. It's available in other sizes too, like ultra tight, tight, and moderate, so you can choose the right fit for your needs. But what's really impressive is that these brushes are clinically proven to clean around dental devices like braces, implants, and other fixtures without causing any damage or discomfort. Now let's talk about the practical side of things. These brushes come with a handy protective travel cap, so they're perfect for tossing in your purse or travel kit. You can also reuse each brush with the bristles, treated with a hygienic solution for up to 10 uses. That makes it super convenient for on-the-go deep cleaning without the need for a whole new brush each time. In terms of ease of use, the GUM Proxabrush is great for people with braces or any dental devices. The nylon-coated wire ensures that you can clean around those appliances safely without scratching or causing any issues with your dental work. And honestly, if you're like me and find flossing a bit of a hassle, this brush is a game changer. It's not just for braces though. It works for anyone looking to keep their gums healthy and free of plaque in those tricky spots. So how did it work in my daily routine? Incorporating the Proxabrush into my routine was really simple. I used it after brushing my teeth, just gliding the soft bristles between each tooth, especially in areas where I felt like my toothbrush wasn't quite cutting it. The result? My teeth felt really clean, and I noticed less plaque buildup between my teeth. Plus, the brush is gentle enough that it didn't irritate my gums, which is a big win for me. Now onto the pros and cons. The biggest pro here is the ability to get deep cleaning between your teeth. I also love the portability, which makes it easy to keep with you on the go. The wide size is great for larger gaps, and the reusability makes it cost-effective over time. On the flip side, I'd say that if you have very tight spaces between your teeth, you might want to try one of the smaller versions. The wide brush works great for me, but for those who don't need as much space, the bristles might feel a little too big. As for value for money, I think it's a solid buy. For the price, you get a set of 6 brushes, each of which is reusable up to 10 times. When you factor in the cost of dental floss, this feels like a more durable option that gives you better control in those hard-to-reach spots. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few other interdental brushes out there, but GUM Proxabrush really stands out for its gentle nylon-coated wire and compact design. You could go with a cheaper option, but they might not be as gentle around dental appliances. So if that's something you have, the GUM Proxabrush could be worth the extra investment. In terms of build quality, these brushes feel sturdy and well-designed. The travel cap is a nice touch, and they're comfortable to use. They're also designed to last through repeated use, which is key for anyone who's serious about oral hygiene. Does this product live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a great tool for keeping your gums healthy and your teeth feeling fresh. Whether you have braces or not, I think anyone with larger gaps between their teeth will really appreciate the deep clean it offers. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're interested in getting your hands on them, you can find the link in the comments or the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.